Condominium insurance claims video part 2, water damage. It's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. The last video I did was regarding drywall. So water damage is frequent. And so you have to know, and when you get a chance, watch this drywall condominium insurance claim video, because it's gonna really give you a lot of information about what the association is responsible for. I'll repeat a little bit, but with water damage claims, the point I really want to make is this. Let's say you have a neighbor. I'm not, whether you're upstairs, downstairs, left side, right side, your neighbor's responsible. You had water damage come into your unit, and so you feel their insurance company should pay, right? Well, a few things. Not necessarily. And what if they don't have insurance? So if it's an insurable event, all right, according to the Florida Condominium Act, the association is responsible for the floor, subflooring, drywall, and the ceilings. Now, they're not responsible for what's on drywall, tile, wallpaper, paint, same thing with ceilings, or on top of the subflooring, meaning if you have your own porcelain tile. So now they're not responsible for that, but they are responsible for the drywall, subflooring, ceilings. All right. If it's non-insurable event, that goes according to the bylaws, whatever the bylaws say. So you have water damage that came from a neighbor, and you're like, wait a minute. Now, hopefully you have insurance. If you don't have insurance, that's a huge problem. If you don't have insurance and they have insurance, don't have insurance, bigger problems. So a lot of people, believe it or not, I shouldn't say a lot, but some people do not have insurance if they had the condo paid off. If you have a mortgage, obviously you're going to need that insurance. So you're going to have to go through your own insurance company. But Mike, wait a minute, I didn't do anything. I know. But you're a third party claimant against them. They don't have to treat you right. They don't have to treat you fair. They may not. The neighbor may not cooperate. There's all kinds of things. So more often than not, your claim is going to be either against your insurance company or the association. Why against the association? Well, there could be, if it's a roof damage claim and you have water damage, all right, let's say it's not the neighbor, the association could be responsible. They probably are responsible. All right. So let's just stick to the water damage thing. Some attorneys who I don't respect will go after those individuals. But here's the thing, you have to prove that they're negligent. So because water came, and I'm going to keep on using this example. Let's say your first floor, neighbor above you, second floor, water damage comes into your unit. All right? You have to prove that they're negligent. That's a problem in order to sue them. Now, if it was just a pipe that broke, a hose, water line that broke, that's not negligence. That's just an accident. And it's unfortunate. And it's unfortunate because you're probably the victim. You are undoubtedly the victim. You might be paying the bigger price. I don't know. But in order to sue them, you have to prove that they were negligent. Now, how can they be proved to have any negligence in a claim? Let me give you an example. Let's say they throw a big party and they invite some condo owners to the party. And they say, hey, everybody's been drinking. I'm going to turn this water on in my sink and I want to see if it floods over and floods every unit down here. And everybody's laughing, do it, do it, do it. Johnny does it. Water's running, passes out drunk. Water spills all over into all these different units. All right? That's negligence. That's clear negligence. Then you would have the ability to file a lawsuit. But elderly Mary, who might have been home, water damage happens, she doesn't realize she's taking a nap, hose breaks in the kitchen line, goes down to your unit. She's not negligent for that. That's just an accident. So water damage is complicated. So better off filing a claim through your own insurance. I know it's not, it probably doesn't feel right and you're probably mad, why do I gotta do it? But that is the best way around things. And then your insurance company is going to tell you, for the drywall, if there is drywall damage, we're not paying for it. It's not covered. Your association has to cover it. And that includes, more than likely, the mold that's behind the drywall, if there is. Now, why would they have to pay for that? Well, they're supposed to repair, replace the drywall. If there's mold, because that mold can cause additional structural damage, which is part of the association's responsibility, which then falls on them because they have a duty to maintain. If they fail to properly remediate the mold, now you're talking about they failed in their duty to maintain the property, the building, the condo, and they could be held liable. So, quick short video on condo insurance claims part 2 water damage. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. This is Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Thanks for watching this video.